Hi guys, good morning. I am just going to edit a video before work. This is honestly like the earliest I've ever gone up in a while, so I'm pretty excited about that. I went to sleep at 7 o'clock last night. I was so tired. I'm super excited to be up this early. Like, I feel really accomplished. And I'm excited because I'm finally at 500 subscribers. It's like I've had my YouTube channel since 2000. Well, this is my second YouTube channel I had. I had one in 2015 and then remade another one when I was pregnant with Madison at 2016. So I have had this channel for 3 years and I'm barely at 500 subscribers, but that's my fault because I'm never like, I don't ever like upload like when I'm supposed to, but lately I've been doing really good and been staying on top of it, so I'm proud of myself for that. Hi guys, I just got to work. It's 7:51. No wait, that's wrong. My clock on my radio's wrong. It's 7:48. So I'm like really early, which freaking sucks. Like I thought there was gonna be traffic, but there wasn't, of course. But yeah, so I just got to work. I'm gonna hang out in my car for a little bit and head into work. So I will see you guys either on my lunch break or when I get off. I haven't decided if I'm gonna vlog on my lunch. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Oh my god, I am so tired. Just from sleeping like so long because I went to bed at like 6. And like waking up like at 6 is like a long time to sleep. That's like, how long is that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 hours of sleep I got. Like holy moly. And I'm gonna try to go to bed like super early tonight too, like maybe at like 9. I have a lot to do though when I get off work. It's gonna suck. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up. Hi guys, so I just got off work. I'm on my way to Walmart with Joshy, Poo Poo, and Maddie. Say hi. You're so cute. I love you. I'm on my way to Walmart with them. And yeah. We're gonna go grocery shopping because I need to get it done. I didn't do it yesterday, so I have to do it today because there's like nothing at the house like to make or eat. And my uncle watches Maddie at the house, so I feel bad leaving them with like no food. So yeah, we're going to Walmart, gonna buy some groceries, go home, cuddle, and call it a night. Did you miss me?
What?
Never mind. Okay guys, so I just got done grocery shopping and it's already 8:45. It's gonna be 9 o'clock.
Mommy.
I gotta take a shower and Maddie has to take a shower. You gonna take a shower?
Yeah.
Okay, stinky baby.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, it's mommy.
Yeah, it's a mommy. So yeah, we gotta all go take showers now. And I just wanted to catch you guys up. I'm sorry today's vlog sucks, but yeah. I just wanted to say goodnight. I will see you guys tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this, what are you doing? If you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Say bye, subscribe.
Kiss it, Jake.
Kisses.